And we are in front of this Papilion PC 6.0 from Burstner. Says is a prototype, but it's worth checking around and inside. So what can we expect for the 2026 year? Leather seating, pretty good, wide seating, and standard Fiat Ducato chassis. We have compartments here and all around retaining this with the pop-up roof design that's actually pretty great. If we are going from this side, we are seeing a gas unit that you can remove if you want, if you don't need. And then also probably also remove it from this side. And we have also gas, no gas, but actually induction with big sink. And if you're checking out, we have a pretty deep cabinet for the kitchen with 2 additional cabinets for your bedding situation. And checking up, this newly designed bathroom looks actually pretty good with foldable toilet and looks like also a standing shower. I am 184, a couple of centimeters more, so taking a shower, it will be no problem in this. And then we have this bed that I turned off the lights, and it's actually great fold up, so you can put 2 bicycles inside, and 1.9 in the widest part. And I will be measuring from the other side, and the show is now opening, so there will be a lot of people getting inside right now. But one thing that I wanted to mention is this, the actual back side of this van that can hold up to 2 bicycles. I would probably fit even 3. And measuring the widest part, we are looking at about, oh sorry, there is the person talking at the speaker. Let's wait a little and then continue this review. Okay, so we are trying to measure this part. The widest part is 1.824, and well, you can comfortably fit 2 bikes, as I'm seeing right now. And on the upper part, 0.7. Not bad, pretty good for the new Papilion PC 6.0.